Look, this is me in the hero spot of the commercial. It took a whole day just to prepare these moments. Want to know more about the commercial modeling business? Then let me take you behind the scenes through the 5 steps that took this project from casting to completion. Let's dive in. Step 1. Casting. To get casting, you need to be on a platform or represented by an agency. Here's my little studio where I do all my castings. Here's the equipment I use. This is my Canon R5. It's more than what's needed, but since I'm also a photographer, it's handy. The key is lighting. Look at my setup here. I have a movable light for when I need to adjust positions for castings, whether standing, sitting, or lying down. For studio recording, I used my fixed lighting here. When it comes to sound, I use different equipments. Here's the Sennheiser AVX4 when I'm on the move. It maintains consistent voice quality. And for studio recordings, the SM7B dynamic microphone blocks out background noises. So I cannot use both, unfortunately, because you cannot hear me when I move. You get the point? Step 2. Callback. You receive feedback from your agency or the casting director. Great job! One step closer to a job confirmation. Step 3. Travel. Now the production company arranges for you to arrive safely at the shoot location, if it's nearby. I booked my own tickets, drove to the airport, and flew off to Bangkok. A lot of people ask me whether I have to pay for my flight, and my answer is simply no. Clients usually pay for travel and accommodation. Traveling opens the world to you. Not many people have the pleasure to travel and get paid at the same time. On my down day, I went to the LV Cafe. You can check that out here if luxury brand is your thing. The production company ensured I arrived safely with private transport to the hotel. Step 4. Fitting. We initially did our own fitting for the casting, but for work we use other clothing and alternatives. The stylist matches each person's look for specific scenes. They know what's up to date. In Asia, fitting are very intensive. They include makeup and hairstyling to ensure everything is perfect on shoot day. They even styled my hair based on the reference photo. Step 5. Shooting day. This is the moment we've been waiting for.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
There's so many people involved. For this scene, we used around 150 to 200 backgrounds. But that wasn't enough. That's why we used green screen, like in Marvel movies, to enhance the setup. It was so hot, so I got a personal fan to stay cool and prevent sweat. The makeup and clothing stylist check everything each time I move to ensure I look perfect for the scene. To watch the whole commercial from beginning to end, click here if you're interested. These are the 5 steps to creating a product with you. I've been doing this for almost 30 years, which I never imagined. It's truly a blessing. I love my work and the people around me. That's what makes this job so exciting and fun. But it's hard work, and your success relies on those who trust you. Agencies, clients, basically everyone that deals with this business. So from now on, be nice to me because I might know somebody who's looking for somebody like you. You never know. If you want to work in this business, you must build yourself up constantly. You are your own company. Nobody tells you what to do. Whether you work out or spend extra time on a casting, video, and sound quality. I did this wrong. It's all on you. That's why I have 2 lighting sets to reduce my casting time to a minimum. As for you, you don't need all that equipment. Just take your phone and have good lighting from the sun is perfectly fine. One of my first videos I talked about my gig. My smile and appearance got me over 50,000 US. So if you're interested, just click here. So give me a feedback when you watch it. With anything in life, the more time and effort you invest, the more you will improve and grow. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit like and give me some feedback so I can create more videos about the modeling business.